Good morning to all of you. Myself is Rajkaur, working as a science mistress at Government Senior Secondary School, Sandupati, Barnala. Today, on this great eve of block level teacher fest, I am thankful to the whole block team and department for providing us so wonderful platform for sharing our ideas for the betterment of students. I pleasure to hear with these innovative charts as science teaching learning material for the better understanding of various topics. My topic is chemical reactions. As we know, chemical reactions are the base of science and everyday's life, such as cooking and digestion of food, ripening of fruits, setting of curd, etc. From my teaching experience, I come to learn that when we write chemical equations on the blackboard, students take it difficult. So I have tried my best to make this topic more easier and enjoyable. Now we discuss how actually these chemical reactions take place with the help of these innovative charts. Let's start. The first type of chemical reaction is combination reaction. Combination means addition. Here hydrogen and chlorine combine to form hydrochloric. So you can see how this chemical reaction actually take place. Hydrogen
बोलो
and chlorine. Here hydrogen and chlorine combine to form hydrochloric acid. I use these different colors for distinction. The next type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. Decomposition means breaking down. Here hydrochloric acid breaks down into hydrogen and chlorine. The decomposition reaction is opposite to the combination reaction. So I have taken the same example. Now we see how this reaction actually takes place. Hydrochloric acid breaks into and chlorine. The next type of chemical reaction is displacement. Displacement means more reactive element displaces less reactive elements from its solution. Here we put iron into copper sulfate solution. As we know, iron is more reactive than copper, so it displaces its sulfate group from its solution and becomes iron sulfate. So next we see how this chemical reaction actually takes place. Iron combines with sulfate group of it to form iron sulfate and reactive becomes free. We can use these innovative charts for double displacement reaction. Here two different atoms interchange their positions. A combines with G and B combines with C. Here copper chloride react with potassium iodide to form copper iodide and potassium chloride. With the help of these, we see how this actually happens. Combines with iodine becomes copper iodide and potassium combines with chloride, potassium chloride. These are redox reactions. Redox reactions are in which oxidation and reduction reactions take place simultaneously. The loss of oxygen is reduction and gain of oxygen is oxidation. Here copper oxide reduced to form copper and hydrogen oxidized to form water. These innovative charts are easy to carry and easy to use. Students can learn with these innovative charts and enjoy very well. Thanks.